Okay.
Wait a second. That was great.
It's by Jack Perletsky. Late last night at Wild Witch Hall, we witches held our Wild Witch Ball. In every size and shape and weight, we witches came to celebrate. 10 tall crones with moans and groans, battled in barrels with bats and bones. 9 queer deers with pointed ears, dangled and swang from the chandeliers. Witches 8 in mangy tresses danced with 7 sorceresses. Witches 6 in shaggy rags played toss and tag with 5 old hags. 4 fat bags took healthy bites from parts of 3 unsightly frights. 2 fierce furies dug a ditch and tumbled in. 1 lumpy witch. There were witches squeezed in every nook, whichever where you cared to look. How many witches can you see at our annual Wild Witches Spree?
Yay!
Here's a poem I learned at school. It's called Professor Twist. I give you now Professor Twist, the conscientious scientist. Trustees exclaimed, he never bungles, and sent him off to distant jungle. Camped on a tropic riverside, one day he missed his loving bride. She had, the guide informed him later, been eaten by an alligator. Professor Twist could not but smile. You mean, he said, a crocodile.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Mommy, can you count us up?
1, 2, 3.
One bright day in the middle of the night, 2 dead boys got up to fight, back to back, they faced each other, drew their swords, and shot each other. A deaf policeman heard the noise, and came and shot the two dead boys. If you do not believe this lie is true, ask the blind man, he saw it too.